How's it going, everyone? It's been a long time and I want to do a vlog, kind of document my process of rebooting my trading journey. I decided to go back to trading prop firms. I will purchase one 100k Fiverr account and probably one 100k FTMO account, and I will document the whole process for me during this journey. I know it's been a long time. You might wonder where I have been. I'm currently in Asia right now and I'm no longer in the UK, but this past year or so I definitely learned a lot about trading and I learned a lot from myself too. Also, I am having a 9 to 5 job here to support myself, kind of just trying to work trading out on the side. Today is Monday, it's already 10 a.m. and it's my off day from work from Sunday to Monday. So today is going to be an intense chart session, and I gotta go and get my groceries for the day, my breakfast, lunch, and dinner sorted, so I can just focus on working on the charts today. There we have it, like double chicken rice with another double chicken rice. It's a great backtest session. Discovered like 2 strategy, but it is pretty inconsistent. The time range that it works really varies. The first strategy kind of works in recent months, and the second strategy really struggle on like last year worth of data. So definitely need a lot of adjustment to see if it's worth deploying. Gym session, let's get it. People might be curious, why do I backtest on FX Replay? It's not like a real professional platform to do so. I do backtest on NinjaTrader and using kinetic data for me to have a more professional backtest. And I do write my strategy in code, my goal strategy in code to backtest on that. And it is really useful. It saves me a lot of time. But one of the most amazing thing that you can backtest on FX Replay is that you'll be able to see the chart, you'll be able to interact with the chart. If your strategy is purely based on chart pattern, FX Replay can be a great starting point for you to do so, to experiment. And also all the data, they already sorted out for you. You don't have to sort the data out. For example, like for kinetic, you don't have to concern about the rollover, all that jazz. You'll be able to backtest very straightforwardly, and all the metrics are showing on there very clearly. The only downside is probably you have to spend a lot of time doing so, so you want to make sure your strategy is as simple as possible. But what gets me to funded 400k at the first place and getting 5 figures in payout is thanks to FX Replay, that I developed my mechanical strategy on there and just manual trading on that every single day. Let's get it. Okay, so I want to quickly go through FX Replay and some important details that you can learn, and you'll be able to start backtesting really easily. So basically you come in, this is a dashboard, and you want to click backtest session. You can name your session, for example, as NQ 2026, and you can adjust your starting account balance, your assets. You can choose this NQ for me, US futures. For the chart layout, I normally doesn't care about that, but you can play with that too. And you have the initial date, the end date. You can click on today, and you can click on this to auto update end date, so it will automatically refresh new data every single day, so you will be able to have the current data for you to do the backtest. So you can click create session, and yeah, you got this new layout. I think they have an update recently. You can change this to, let's say I will be operating on let's say 30 minutes. Go to 30 minutes chart. You can see the chart right here. You can delete the volume here. And then most important thing right here for me is the order and go to. So basically, let's say you only trade New York session, you can click go to and go to New York session. So the chart will automatically jump to the next New York session, which is here. This is in New York time, 9:30. So that is correct. And you can customize settings here too to suit your strategy. You click Control plus space to go to next bar. Control plus space on MacBook. And for you to place an order is really simple. Just like on TradingView, you click the risk to reward tools, click on it. Let's say you want to place a buy stop order here. You adjust your take profit level and stop loss level. And after you select this, you click order, and it will automatically have all the orders and details and all the levels set, and you can set your risk amount, and then you click save, and you will be able to place a trade. And you just click next. Okay, I'm not entering the trade right now. You can see a running profit here, and then I say, oh, it's a winning. It's great. And you can see the realized P&L right here. You can see a closed position right here. So yeah, that's basically it. And you can also click this button to have full screen. And after you place a certain trade, and you can go to analytics, and this is really important. You'll be able to see your metrics and be able to know your strategy in detail for you to adjust it, for you to suit your profit and challenge. And yeah, all the details will be right here, monthly in this chart. And let me go to one of my backtest sessions so I can show you. Let's say this one. Click on session analytics. So you can see my win rate is only 25%, but my risk to reward for this strategy is 1 to 6. So this is a profitable strategy, up 27%, risking 1% per trade. You can see the equity curve is all right. There's like a consolidation here, but in general, it's still going up. And yeah, you can see average risk to reward. I might close some trade at the end of session, so the risk to reward is not perfect, 1 to 6, and you can see the monthly return right here. So yeah, the strategy performed pretty well recently, and I'll probably run this strategy on the next challenge. So yeah, so basically this is what I would do, and this FX replay really helped me to pass over 400k, and this FX replay really helped me got 400k funded. All my previous strategy is developed on here and backtest on here. This is what got me into the payout in the first place. So a really great platform, and you can check it out, and I will have a link in the description. Let's get it.